Hi, good morning everybody. So today we will discuss about preparing capital accounts and how we should prepare capital accounts. We are currently in one of the classes. Previously we had discussed about the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. So now that we have already covered preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, here today we will discuss how after preparation of the profit and loss appropriation account, how should we prepare capital accounts of the partners? So we'll take a question as an example so that it becomes easier for all of you to understand the concept. So question is, on 1st April 2016, A and B started a business with rupees 60,000 and rupees 20,000 respectively. On 31st March 2017, the trading profit was rupees 24,000. Now, IFC, which is to be provided, is to be provided at the rate of 6% per annum. Salary, which is to be given to B, is rupees 6,000 per annum. A withdrew rupees 6,000 throughout the year. B withdrew rupees 4,000 in the financial year. Interest on drawings for A is rupees 200 and for B it is rupees 100. A and B are equal partners and we are supposed to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and the capital accounts. So we'll start with PNL appropriation account and then we will move to the capital accounts. Right? So I'll prepare the PNL appropriation account here. Or wait, what I'll do is wait. Meanwhile, if you want to take a screenshot of this, you can take a screenshot of this entire question so that you can take a screenshot of this question and then I'll erase this and we'll do it. Okay. Okay, so we know that the firm earned a profit of rupees 24,000. So we'll show it here. This is the debit side and this is the credit side. So we'll show by trading and PNL account. $24,000. Okay, we've shown this here. Now we need to show the appropriations which were decided as per the partnership deed. So the first thing which we'll show is IOC. So we'll write to IOC to A's capital and B's capital. Rate of interest on capital is 6% per annum. What is the capital balance of A? 60,000. They started with 60,000 and B started with 20,000. 6% of 60,000 is how much? 3,600. And 6% of 20,000 is 1,200. This will be 4,800. After IOC, will show salary. B was entitled to get a salary of rupees 6,000 per annum. So that is B's capital. 6,000 salary. After salary, there were drawings, but we don't show drawings in profit and loss appropriation account. We only show interest on drawings in PNL appropriation account. So interest on drawings will be here. We'll write by interest on drawings. A is capital, B is capital. How much is the interest on drawings? Interest on drawings is 200 and 100 rupees. So we'll show A's interest on drawings for A is 200, for B it is 100. So this is 300. Okay, so we've shown this. We've taken up interest on capital, we've taken the profits, we've taken the salary which is payable to B, we've taken the interest on drawings. Anything else which comes in PNL appropriation account? There is commission, but there is no mention of commission in this question. Then there is, they could be transferred to general reserve again, but in this question there is no mention of transfer to general reserve. So now what we'll do is we'll simply find out the divisible profits. What are divisible profits? Divisible profits are those profits which are finally distributed amongst the partners after adjusting all the appropriations, adjusting for all the appropriations. So divisible profits, in order to find out divisible profits, we'll add this. This is 24,300. Sum of these two items is 24,300, and the sum of these two items, interest on capital and salary, 10,800. So we'll subtract 10,800 from 24,300. What do we get? 0, 0. 13 में से 8 गया 5, 3, 1. So 13,500 rupees is the divisible profits which is to be divided amongst the partners. In which ratio? Equally, because the question has mentioned they are equal partners. So it will be 2 profits transferred to A's capital and B's capital. Equally means 13,500 multiplied by 1 by 2, and then again multiplied by 1 by 2 will be A's share and B's share. Right? So this will be 6,750 and this will be 6,750. So this is your PNL appropriation account for this question. We've covered everything in this. Few pointers which you need to keep in mind. One is that drawings never come in PNL appropriation account. Interest on drawings are shown in the PNL appropriation account, but drawings are never shown. Secondly, divisible profits are those profits which are left after adjusting all the appropriations of the partners, such as salary, interest on capital, etc. Okay, so once we've done this, then we will move on to the next process of making the capital accounts of the partners. Let's begin with that. Okay, I hope you have noted down this. Yeah. I'll just note down. So how are we going to make the capital accounts? So we have two partners, A and B. So we'll prepare the capital account like this. We'll create two columns here and two columns here. A, one column is for partner A and another column is for partner B. So like we'll have on the debit side one column for partner A where we'll show the amounts, and for B similarly on the credit side one column for partner A and another column for partner B, and here we will write particulars. Okay, so we have the balances available with us, which is 60,000 and 20,000, right? So we'll first thing which we'll do is we'll write here, the heading will be capital accounts. Okay, so first thing we'll do is we'll write by balance brought down 60,000 and 20,000. Okay, we've done this. Now we'll show all the appropriations in the PNL appropriation account. So whatever was there in the PNL appropriation account, the appropriations such as IOC, salary, and even divisible profits will get transferred to the capital accounts. So first thing is IOC. So we'll write here by IOC. So IOC, A was rupees 3,600 IOC was payable to A, and rupees 1,200 IOC was payable to B. Similarly, salary to B, so we'll write by salary. Rupees 6,000 under B. And divisible profits, so we'll write by PNL appropriation account. Profits are 6,750 and 6,752 B. So now that's a very valid question for most of the students, and I have come across this from doubt from a lot of students, that why we are showing these appropriations on the credit side of the capital accounts of the partners. So these are all the appropriations which were decided or determined at the time of signing of the partnership deed, that A partner will get this much interest on capital and B will get this much interest on capital. Similarly, B will get a salary of rupees 6,000 and the divisible profits. So these were all terms of the terms and conditions of the partnership deed. They were already prevailing there. Now all these appropriations are basically the things which are entitled to the partners. They are supposed to receive these appropriations. These are part of the profits only. So that is why what we are doing is we are preparing capital accounts, right? So whatever is to be given to the partner, and we are preparing these capital accounts in the books of the firm, partnership firm. So what firm will do is, whatever firm is supposed to pay to the partner, the firm will show it on the credit side of this capital account. So all these items are those items which the firm owes to the partners. And whatever the firm is supposed to take from the partners, those items the firm will show on the debit side. So this is the firm's, this capital account is prepared in the books of accounts of the firm, and the credit side will reflect whatever is payable by the firm to the partners, and the debit side will reflect whatever is receivable by the firm from the partners. For example, interest on drawings. So interest drawings is basically money withdrawn by the partners from the firm. So interest on those drawings, right? So that money is receivable. The firm is supposed to get that money, interest on drawings from the partners. So we'll write on the debit side to interest on drawings. How much was the interest on drawings for A and B? Okay, 200 and 100. Okay, similarly, drawings. Drawings is again money withdrawn by the partners from the business for personal use. So the partners owe that money to the firm. So as a result of this, the firm will that becomes a receivable for the firm. So the firm will show it on the debit side of the partners' capitals. नटशेल में अगर हम बोले हिंदी में अगर समझे इस चीज को तो इसका मतलब ये है कि जो भी पैसा फर्म ने पार्टनर्स को देना है, जो भी लाइबिलिटी फर्म की है पार्टनर्स की तरफ, वो क्रेडिट साइड में आप शो कर दोगे. जो भी फर्म ने पार्टनर्स से लेना है वो आप शो कर दोगे पार्टनर्स की कैपिटल अकाउंट्स की डेबिट साइड. ठीक है. सो अब यहां पे अगर आप देखोगे ड्राइंग्स कितनी थी 6,000 and 4,000. So we'll show it here. Two drawings. Okay. So now we've prepared this capital account. It's complete. All we need to do is find out the closing balance. So another point which is to be kept in mind while preparing the capital accounts is that opening balance of the partners will be shown on the credit side and the closing balance will be shown on the debit side. Okay. Also, I hope all of us are aware that the opening balance is the capital balance of the partners during the beginning of the year, and closing balance is the balance of the partners, capital balances of the partners at the end of the year. Okay, so these are basic, very basic conceptual things. Usually all the students are aware about these things. Still sometimes, mind gets sleepy over these issues and tends to ignore it. So this is just for your recap, you can say, or for your better understanding. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's find out the closing balance of the capital. So 60,000 60,000 plus 3,600 plus 6,750. 70,350 is the total here. And here 27,200 plus 6,750. 27,200 plus 6,750. 33,950. So the closing balances will be to balance carried down 70,350 minus 6,200. This is the total which we've got is 70,350 for A on the credit side. The sum of all these, उसमें से हम क्या करेंगे, इसको माइनस कर देंगे. ठीक है जी. तो कितना आएगा 70,350 minus 6,200. $64,150, and this is how much? 33,950. The sum in the B's column, in partner B's column. So 33,950 minus 4,100. So 33,950 minus 4,100 will give us 29,850. So these are the closing balances of partners A and B. Right. So this is what it is all about. This is how we prepare the capital accounts of the partners. Few pointers which we need to keep in mind is with regards to this is, one is that opening balance will always come on the credit side as by balance brought down. All that is payable by the firm to the partners will come on the credit side. So virtually all the appropriations will come on the credit side, right? Such as IOC, salary, commission to the partner, although it is not there in this question. Then divisible profits of the final divisible profits, which are distributed amongst the partners, it will come here. And all that the firm is supposed to get from the partners will be shown on the debit side, such as interest on drawings and drawings. So this is, and then whatever is after, all these adjustments, subtracting the values, whatever we'll get is the closing balance. So this is in nutshell for today's class. I hope you've liked it. Keep watching my channel and do subscribe to the channel to watch more videos with regards to accounts. We'll keep posting content regularly. Have a great day.